On this channel, it's usually all curves and no brakes. Until now, thanks to R1 Concepts. So right here we got the sport rotors off of the Jeep, and these are the R1 Concepts. The difference, of course, you'll see that these are slotted, which is going to help with the heat, and when it's going to have better braking power. So definitely lightweight. The carbon material. It's also going to help with the corrosion as well, the material that these are made of. So definitely a huge improvement. As you could tell, the color, the rust, and everything on these are just pretty bad. So definitely these are going to be a huge upgrade compared to the stock ones. All right, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and remove the rotor. We're going to remove some of the bolts for the caliper, and we're gonna take the old rotor out. So I already removed some of the bolts for the caliper. There's still some that are back here that I need to get to, but that's what we're gonna do that now. And we're gonna use a bungee cord to hold our caliper up so it won't be hanging and we don't put a lot of stress on the brake line. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Just gonna wrap it around. It was just that, right? We finally got the rotor to get loosey-goosey, and it's comes out. And here's our old stock sport rotor. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this, and we're gonna start installing the new one, the R1 rotor. All right, so we got our stock caliper here, and we have our old brake pads, and we're gonna go ahead and remove these, and we're gonna install the new ones. But yeah, definitely we're gonna clean this up. So you can tell there's a lot of dirt here, so we want to make sure that it makes a clean contact. So we'll be cleaning this up, removing these. All right, so we just cleaned the caliper as best we can, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back into the knuckle and put the bolts, the stock bolts. So it reuses the stock bolts. All right, so now that we determine which ones are going to be which, we're going to go ahead and put some of this disc brake quiet grease, and we're just going to grease it up on the clips right here as well. And we're going to go ahead and put these in. So that's what we're going to do right now. Take just a little dab of it. And just make sure you don't get it on the actual brake side, because you don't want this there. So there you go. Have a rag handy, and let's go ahead and try to put this in. And there you go. There you go, there's one. And we're gonna do this backside, the same thing on the backside. All right, so pistons are compressed. We use a quick grip and we compress the pistons, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the caliper back in, making sure it aligns and goes in easily with no issues. There you go. Get your 2 bolts. And that's pretty much it. All right, so that wraps up this R1 concept. Rotors, brake pads, install. The install was really easy, honestly. You could knock this down in maybe 2 hours or so. It's going to be a huge improvement, definitely for us on the road, on the trail. We're definitely going to be testing these out at KOH in a couple days. So definitely check them out. These are the G1 slotted rotors, and these are the off-road tow brake pads. Definitely, this is a nice combo for what I have right here. So definitely check these out. Love these, and definitely check them out. All right, ready?
Yeah.
The Kardashian girls, Kardashian. All right, that's as much as I can stick it out.